everybody, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and today I have a thrift store haul for you guys. So today I stopped at Goodwill, and I was kind of been planning on going to Goodwill, but I do have quite a bit of inventory because I just went to Style Encore, got a bunch of 70% off stuff, and I've been thrifting a lot because I had 2 weeks off of work. But I'm trying to keep thrifting, excuse me. I'm going to try to keep thrifting so that I always have inventory. I don't know if there's going to be another shutdown or anything like that, so I just want to make sure I have stuff. Anyway, so a lot of the pieces that I got today at Goodwill are vintage pieces or pieces that I purchased specifically for style and not necessarily for brand, but I will kind of talk to you guys a little bit about that as we go through. But yeah, anyway, guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Nicole. Like I said, I'm a part-time reseller. I sell on eBay, Poshmark, Depop, and sometimes Facebook Marketplace, but not too often. I love thrifting. My channel's all about reselling, thrifting. Sometimes I'll have a couple other little things in there, but yeah. Anyway, let's get right into it. So I titled this video, what was I going to title it? 40 into $275. So because I spent $41.90 and I am expecting to make about $275 gross once everything is sold. So that's a pretty decent return on investment. Some pieces might sell for a little bit more because I usually do price a little bit higher on eBay and Poshmark than what I would like to take. Some pieces I did look up to see what I could expect, but I really think that your price that you get is really dependent on your description, your title, and your photos. So sometimes you might get something more, you might get something less. But yeah, anyway, so let's get right into it. I'm going to show you guys, and I'm kind of going to give you an idea of how much I think that I can get per item. Now, I looked up comps, but I would say that on certain things, comps aren't going to be really that important because of a lot of the items I picked up are more vintage type items. So they're things that you're probably not going to be able to even find online. But yeah, so this first piece that I got, I looked up this brand and there's really nothing online like it. It's called Emerson Thistle. And I picked this up. It was $5.99, so I did pay up for it. When I divided out everything that I got, and I divided it out, it was $4.19 per piece. So, by the way, guys, you like this? I think this is called Spree, right? This is a vintage sweatshirt I got at a thrift store for like $2. And yeah, so I'm wearing it for my vintage stuff. I love vintage. So there's something I couldn't really find comps for. I would say I would take 15 at a low, but I'm hoping I'll probably list it for like $29.99, something like that. And I'll probably send out $20 offers, and I would think it will probably sell between 18 and 20. But this particular item is, let's see, it is like a vest, like a drapey vest. The back and the sides, it has velvet on it, like a velvet, and then this is like a really pretty lace crochet type thing. It's long, and this I should be able to sell for 20 to 25. I would think I could probably sell it for like 25. But this particular piece, I think I will probably list it as an art to wear piece. So art to wear is like a style that certain people are really interested in, and there is a big following in art to wear items that look very artsy. Sometimes they'll have patchwork, flowers, different types of textures. This does have 2 different types of textures on it, which is one reason why I would put art to wear. And it really, a lot of art to wear stuff has black in it. This also has, these are pockets. That's cool. And I think that I can at least sell it for 25, but we'll see. I'll probably list it at like 30 and then see. Okay, so this next item is something that I would put in the Y2K spectrum era or whatever. This is a denim dress. If it fits me, I'll model it. This is actually from Forever 21, and who recognizes that tag? I don't recognize it. I think this is probably from the Y2K era. I don't recognize that. If you know what era it is, this definitely is Y2K to me. I remember going to Forever 21 when I was in college with all my college girls, and this is the kind of stuff they were selling at Forever 21. So this I did not pick up for the brand. Forever 21 is nothing. I would never pick that up now, today, current stuff. It just doesn't sell. But this is a Y2K type of style, 2000s. And this is something that I sell a ton of Y2K stuff. I'm going to do a video on Y2K so you guys can get an idea, especially if you weren't like alive during that time period or you were really little. You might not really know what that style is. Y2K is really, really popular on like Depop, that kind of stuff. But I sell tons of Y2K type stuff in my eBay store. And in my Poshmark closet, a lot on my eBay store though. Recently, yesterday I sold like 3 things, so that were all in the title Y2K. So people are looking for Y2K like style, Y2K stuff that if you were alive in the early 2000s, which most of you probably were, but if you were alive in the early 2000s, you might remember. Especially I was a teenager, so that was like the era that I just, you know, I got into clothes and stuff. So, well, okay, in 2005 is when I graduated. So, you know, I was in high school, yeah, and graduated. So that is definitely what I'm going to put in the title is Y2K. Okay, this is a really nice, the older tag, but it's soft surroundings. It's a 1X. I did find comps for items very similar. It's like a velvet. Very pretty. I think it's got some, yeah, paisley. I found comps between 40 and 50 for this, so that is awesome. I saw it on the clearance rack, and actually that was on the clearance rack, which is everything is $1.99 on the clearance rack. So I actually did pay less than $4, but when I divide it out, it's $4 per, about $4. Okay, this is a Reve. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is an Anthropology brand. It's got cute little like pom-pom things on it. I saw ones, this brand doesn't sell real great, so I'll probably sit on it for a while so I can get a better price. I found one just like it that sold for like 15, but I'm definitely going to probably hold out for more of the 20-25 range. I like to get at least $25 profit. It doesn't always happen, and a lot of times I'll take something lower because if I am struggling with getting sales for the day, sometimes I'll take lower offers and they generate more sales usually. Okay. I do not know what year this was made, but this very much reminds me of when I was a teenager in the Y2K era. So I might put Y2K style. I'm not super picky with what I put Y2K. If I think it's like between, like if I remember that brand, that style, I mean, during that era, if I think, oh, this is definitely something I would have worn, then I'll usually put Y2K. So I'm not like super picky about it. This I'll probably put Y2K style though, because I think it's probably newer. I could be wrong. This is Abercrombie & Fitch. This is actually coming off, so we have to fix that. This is a cropped cardigan, which was also very popular in the Y2K era. It's a cropped cardigan. I could be wrong, but this might be, I wonder if this says, sometimes they say. 8/10/16. So this is from 2016. So Y2K is more of like early 2000s, I think. But I could definitely put Y2K era because it's very similar. It's really cute. Isn't that cute? But it's a size large. And that I'm hoping to get around 24. It actually was only $1.99. Okay, this I saw a few times ago. I was there. Wasn't on sale, but I picked up anyway. It's Boston Proper, and honestly, this brand isn't something I pick up very often unless it's really cool. I happened to pick up 2 this time, but I picked them solely up because of style. This doesn't have any fabric content, so I can't look to see even if there was a date. I don't know. This is a long crocheted cardigan with beading. I would say this is very Y2K in my opinion. I'll probably put that in the listing. Look how pretty it is. It's really pretty. I saw it last couple times. I really wanted to wait until it was marked down, but I would probably model this and it will be really cute. Okay, here is another Boston Proper, and I think I can probably get 20 to 30 for that. Between 20 and 30. I'll probably list it high at like 35 and hope to get 20 to 30. Yeah. I list high because I have best offer on. So I usually will list high. If someone really wants it, they'll send me an offer. Okay, this is also Boston Proper. This reminds me of very much of, it's kind of retro-y. It's all crocheted. It's super cute. Again, something I would probably put Y2K in. I don't know if they say, it's acrylic. This one does not say a date. It's nice when they say a date. But this reminds me of something I would have worn back then. I really wish I would have kept all the stuff that I used to wear. Okay, so that in particular, I'll probably list for probably 40. I might list the other one for 42 just because of the style. Like crochet, granny knit stuff is like really in right now. So yeah, I'll probably list that for 40 and hope to get 30 or 40. Okay, so this was kind of a surprise. I found this within 10 minutes of being in the store. Whenever I go to Goodwill, my first place I stop usually is the purses, but more recently they have been having a whole, like a pretty decent sized long rack of clearance, and so that's where they move everything that didn't sell that was a certain color tag of the week, which they have every week. It's different color. This week it was purple. So what they end up doing is they pull everything and put it $1.99, and so I usually go to the purses first, but because they have the clearance rack now, I'm usually going there first. So I found a bunch of $1.99 stuff right away, you know. I usually go through my cart and stuff like that. But anyway, I went to the purses right after, so I zoomed through the clearance and I went to the purses. And I saw this and I thought, this is nice. This is, I could tell was real leather. As you resell for a while, you start to realize it. And I saw that it was a purple tag, which was 50% off. So this would have been $6 because they had it marked at $11.99. And I looked inside and I found that it is Coach. Can I see it there? I do believe it's authentic. I've come across a lot of fake Coaches and a lot of authentic Coaches. And I believe this is a vintage Coach. Not super, super vintage, but probably 10 or 20 years old. It does have a pen mark there. I honestly didn't notice it till now. It is a really cute purse. It's just very simple, classic, and it kind of has a pebbled look to it. So I'm definitely going to list this. I'm hoping, I looked up vintage Coach purses, and I am hoping that I can at least sell it for $35. I'm hoping more, but $35 I would be happy with, especially with the pen mark. And it was like $6, but you know, like I divided it out, so it's $4.19, and I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so I have two more things to show you, and this particular piece I'll probably for sure sell. The next item I might keep, but we'll see. So this is not real cute in my opinion. It's like checkered, long. I would say it's probably almost into the ankle. It's the front, this is the back, and it's got that little patch. This is very 90s mom dress. My mom had dresses kind of like this, country. Okay, this is what I would consider like a prairie, kind of like a prairie dress, cottage core. That's what I'm going to list this as, and I am thinking I'll probably be able to get 30 for it. We'll see, 25 to 30, but I'm going to list it probably at 40 and then have best offer, and I'll probably take 25 to 30. It was a purple tag, so it actually was only $3. So that's pretty good, I thought. Okay, so this last one, I honestly am not sure. If I looked up the RN, maybe that would tell me. But this says VS Sport. I don't know if that's Victoria's Secret Sport or not. I'm thinking probably not. I really don't know. Maybe if I look up the RN number, it'll tell me. If you know, let me know. I've never seen that tag before for Victoria's Secret Sport, and it looks vintage. But this is a really nice fleece. This is definitely like from the 2000s, so it's a fleece button-up. I think it's super cute, actually. I really like it. I might keep it for myself. We'll see, but it's like simple and classic, and I just think it's cute, and it feels warm too. So this I am hoping to get about 24. Maybe I'll get a little bit more, but it was on the clearance rack for $1.99. So since it was for, just $1.99, I was like, well, I'm happy to sell things I paid $2 for 20, 18 to 20. I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, that is my last piece. I actually bought a few things for myself, but I subtracted that from the cost and everything. I guess I'll show you, but these are not part of something to resell. These are something that I love to wear in the winter time. They are little ear things, you put like a headband, but it covers your ears. I got this one. They had a bunch of chenille ones, and I got this one. Isn't that cute? This one's mustard yellow. And then this one is a used one. Those two were new. This is used, but it's just like a cream. I really love wearing these. I think I got another one, but I don't see it here. I love wearing these in the wintertime, especially when I go like to the gym, because my ears are usually cold, because it's kind of like a hardcore gym, I mean, they have heat, but it's like set at like 55 or something like that, so it's usually cold. But yeah, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked it. Please let me know if you had like a favorite piece, a favorite item in the haul. I would love to hear what that is. And if you're selling items like in the 2000 era Y2K stuff, if that's going for you, it's going really well for me. And I love that time period because I was like growing up in that time period. I was like in high school and college, and so I really remember like those styles. So it's kind of fun to see them again. I'm selling out of that stuff so quickly. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. I do post content regularly, so I really appreciate you guys. Please let me know if you have a YouTube channel so I can follow you as well. I am a pretty small channel still, so I'm always looking for new subscribers and looking for new channels to learn from and to follow as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye!